Hey, how are you doing? In this video I'm going to show you how to change, update or delete content or create a new page or new blog on the website. So let's see, this is the dashboard, you know that, I think. So this is the home page. When you click see the home page, it will see something like this, but you need to log in here, and when you logged in you'll see the option edit with Elementor. When you click on edit with Elementor, it will take you to the page like the edit option, editable page, right? So you can change the text from here. Just click and change the text. Just click and change the button text, button link. Okay, just click and change the text. Also you can change the image. You can change the image from here. This is the home page template, and here is the video. It's iframe. So this is the service. You can here add more services like in this doctor service, like service 1, service 2, service 3, and also you can change the icon. This is the icon. Just change the icon from here. You can choose the any one icon. Also you can upload your image here, and this is the 3 package. I have make buy now button for this. When I click on buy now, it will take you to the let's see from here, buy now, take you to the checkout page for the membership level 1, and this is $10 per month. So you need to set up, and then here's the option checkout. Okay, so you can update the membership price from here in the membership, and then view membership labels. This is basic $10 per month I have made. I'm going to update it that this is $10, 10 USD. Okay, this is fine, but the second one, that means I did 3 edit, and it should be 25, right? 25. Okay, and save label. You can change the name from here. Premium, also $50. Premium is 50 into the 50 here, and per month. Okay, then save it per month, right? Okay, now this is when you click on the home page, Dr. carriemadej, and on the second, that means standard package, it will take you to the standard package payment. I just put a button with this link. Here's 25 per month the price. Of course you need to set up payment from here, payment gateway and SSL. You need to set up from here. Okay, so this I think you have learned that how to edit the home page. Also, this is the blog. Okay, here's a important talk about the blog. You have added, or someone did a lot of blogs, post on the here, but some have events, some have blogs, etc. But here should only blog post, right? Blog post mean, you can see it. Let's see, this is the blog post and title and the text, but you cannot put the event in here. I already have there have already an option for events, so click on events. You'll see all the events. Okay, I have just added one events, Common Sense Summit. You can see the events from here. Just click on events. November 1921. That means you can change the event date and everything. Just click edit. You can see the option to change that. Here's the end date, start date. Okay, you can change that easily, no problem. Also you can add something, event URL, event organizer name, venue name, etc. You can change the preview. Just check the preview, that how it's looking. It's looking like this: Common Sense Summit, and date, at the time. This is the event featured image, and the details, event details, and here's the option for event link, event venue. You can also add the Google Map address, okay, in that event. So also I have created block. Sorry, this is the block, single block template. I have created this. So if you write more block, it will show in here as a template. So you can add block from here, blog post. Okay, now we are talking about the booking page, that means book an event page. Let's see, go to the book and okay, to the home page. Book an appointment, sorry, not even book an appointment page. Click book an appointment, and you can see the option for book an appointment, but there have a problem. You wanted that for pay button, but in the form, I have used WP forms. In that forms you cannot use the payment option for free. You need to purchase the form, purchase the plugin to get payment through the form. Otherwise you can use the PayPal payment, direct payment. You can create two buttons. Here's for like after getting the information, you can after getting the information from name, email, and the cost, and then you can send them a confirmation mail and two PayPal button link. That will be the easy solution, right? Settings, I'm showing you that confirmation. We can keep the two shortcut PayPal button here, and then when someone subscribe, then the confirm mail he can pay through PayPal, because there is payment field. Of course there is payment field, drop down items, payment fields, but this is not free. This upgrade need to pro and highly costed. Okay, so you should check it. If you need any kind of change, you can do it by yourself. Also please add some thumbnail image on the blog, every blog. Okay, you are send me a message and another video. Please have link to all the other videos. You can keep a button all videos, alright, or you can copy the button. You can copy the button, this button, paste here, delete this one, view all view. Okay, link in here, video page, videos, or which pages have video, you can just link them. If you want to create a new page, just click on the pages and then you can option add new page. Okay, I have created a blog page, you should select it as a blog page. Okay, anyway, add new, and then suppose this is the I'm going to create a new page, example page. Just let me show you that how to add new page and how to test page. You can delete this anytime, no problem. So just make it published, and then when you go to edit with Elementor, it will take you to the Elementor editor option, and then you can edit the page as per your needs. Okay, so this is the option, but there is no no option to change something. You need to go page settings, your settings, page layer, and make it Elementor full width. Okay, so then you can see, or you will see the option header footer, and just add something in here. So this is the blog page. I just made this as a template, page heading. Okay, save this as a template. Now we can search it from here, my templates, page heading, just insert in here. Yes, okay. So here the page, or the page title, test pages will show. You need to just make it Elementor full width and then update. This is done. Okay, updated, done. Now you can add more content like section, image, text, etc. Whatever you need, you can make it. This is the page builder, so this is simple. So I hope you understood everything, and thank you very much. If you need any kind of help, just let me know. I'll try to do my best, but we need to finish this work soon. Thank you again. Thank you.